Hey friends, I'm finished from Team MAST. This is part 2 of Learning Python playlist. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your Pycharm IDE, the code editor. The very first thing which I really hate about this is, the theme, the default theme, which is quite dull, I guess. So I'll just show you how to change the theme. So there are two ways. The first one is, you scroll down to the file option and move up to the settings option, and you can just change the theme, any theme. You can select any theme. The other one is the keyboard shortcut, which I really prefer. As I'm using Windows, the keyboard shortcut for Windows is Control Shift and A. This is the shortcut which I would recommend you to use. To just remember, because it's quite handy. Any changes you want to make, you could just achieve using this shortcut. The shortcut is Control Shift and A. Now I just wanted to change the theme. What I'll do is I'll just type theme, and it would show me, yeah, and it would highlight, okay, this thing. So I want to change the theme. Let's say I want to change it to high contrast. I'll just apply the changes. Oops, it's even worse. Let me change it to the third one and apply. Great. This is what I wish to have, right? The other thing which I would like to change is the font size, so that it's easily visible to you guys as well. So what I'll do is, again, use the keyboard shortcut Control Shift and A. So now this time I'll type font. So I'll just select this font size, and it is just highlighting this. In case this was unchecked, you need to check it before, so that you could change the font size. Let's say keep it as 20 and apply. Great. And okay, so I just use the shortcut Control Shift and A. This is for Windows. Similar, there would be similar shortcut, keyboard shortcut for other operating system. You need to check it out. So one more thing I just wanted to show you is, before that, let me just create a file. So this was our hello folder, hello project, and I want to create a file. To create a file, I'll right click, new, and a file. Now let's say, let me keep the name as app dot. You need to enter this extension as py. Py stands for Python. So dot Python. Great. It just created the app file. Now what I wanted to show was the font of this is quite small. The font which I changed earlier was the font size of the entire IDE, but this is the font size of this editor where I'm gonna type. So I just want to change the font of this editor as well. So what I'll do is I'll just press the keyboard shortcut here itself, Control Shift and A, and I'll say font increase font size. So it just increase. You can do it as many times till the time you feel comfortable. It's increasing. Let's say one more time. So what I'll do is, now I'll just run my first program. Let's say I need to enter the name of my country. What I'll do is type it India, and I'll just run. And to run your first program, what you need to do is, as you can see here, run option, click on run and press run. So it's asking me to add configuration. Here you can see here there is no configuration added as such. So I'll just add this configuration. This is the name of the file which I wanted to add. I'll click on this file and it just added. Now as you can see in this configuration one, edit configuration, I'm seeing this file. This is added. So I can directly run from here itself. I'll click this play button. So it just entered the name of my country. As you can see, the size here, the font size is smaller. So what I'll do is I'll click on this area and just use the shortcut which I told you earlier, CTRL SHIFT A. This is for actions. Any action you need to perform, you just type that action and it will be there. So I'll hit enter. It just increase. You want to increase it more? Increase, increase. So you can even change the size, decrease the font size, Control Shift A, and you can search for decrease, and it will decrease the font size. If you want to reset that, you could simply use this reset font size option, and it will be back to normal, the way it was earlier, as you can see. So this was the most common shortcut, which is highly recommended from my side. I mean, there are endless things which you could achieve, to customize your IDE. It's very customizable. So it depends upon your comfort zone and your needs. So you could easily customize each and everything the way you want it to, you know. So this was it for this video, and from the next video we would be focusing on the coding part. I'll be covering up the strings. So see you in the next video soon. Till then, be must and keep rocking. Bye bye.